Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you. We are late by 7 minutes today.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. We are late by 7 minutes. My laptop, I don't know, something went wrong with it. And the meeting was not starting only. It was. Yes?
Ma'am, because network problem.
I don't know what problem was there at my side. But it was telling me also, please wait for the host to start the meeting. Same was written on my screen. Okay, so before we start, all of you, good morning, beta, good morning. All of you open your cameras. Everybody,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning, beta, good morning. All of you open your cameras. And first, let's have attendance. First day of June. Good morning to all of you. Okay, please call out your names.
His first date.
What?
Ma'am, today is 1 of June.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. First day of the month June. Why is Pratyaksh Rathi smiling so much? Yes, beta?
Ma'am, Pratyaksh Rathi present.
Okay, Pratyaksh Rathi present. Why are you smiling, Pratyaksh? What makes you smile so much today? What funny is going around? Tell me. Share with all of us.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, after Pratyaksh Rathi, who is there?
Ma'am, Mansgar present, ma'am.
Manas Garg present. Rishabh Kumar. Then Shrish. Then Harsh Patel. Atharv Singh. Jajat Gangwar. Yashraj Mahajan. Yashraj Mahajan. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Tomorrow we are not done the worksheet of SSC.
You could not complete that? You
Good
could not.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. The worksheet of the first chapter that I gave yesterday was not completed.
Yes, ma'am.
So you want me to share it again?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll share it. Don't worry. Yes.
Ma'am, Misty also present, Misty Mishra.
Okay. Mishti Mishra. All right, then how many students are there in all? Let me just see. 13 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. I just have 10 here. Who didn't call out his or her name?
I'm present, ma'am. Devansh Verma. Ma'am, Nandini present.
Nandini, yes. I hadn't marked Nandini, Atharv Singh, Shirsh. Now Shirsh is present. Rajat also I have marked present. Yashraj Mahajan. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you send me the link of D group?
What on D group?
Ma'am, can you send me the link of D group?
Link of, okay, I'll add you in D group. Don't worry. I'll just do it right now. So
Okay,
that's all. Yes.
Ma'am, I have done my worksheet. Ma'am, I have done my worksheet.
Very nice. So beta, what?
Ma'am.
Okay, how many of you have not done your worksheet?
Ma'am, I have not completed first page of work. My mother.
Okay, so many are left to complete the worksheet.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very, very nice.
Ma'am, I have done till the question number 3 and answer number 3.
Okay, beta. All of you take out your social studies copies where you were doing the worksheet.
Ma'am, please share screen.
Yes.
Ma'am, today we can do new worksheet.
Now we are going to complete the worksheet that I had shared yesterday. Can you see the screen? Pratyaksh, beta, do one thing. Take a screenshot of the first screen. Okay, this was the first screen. The first page, I mean. Take a screenshot of it.
Ma'am, I want to. Ma'am, please. Okay.
Yes, say.
Ma'am, I will also take it.
Yes, take a screenshot so that I can change the page and come to the next one. Take
Ma'am,
it?
I have taken.
Okay.
Ma'am, we will do this page.
You have done the previous page? Mishti?
Ma'am, I was done these both pages.
You have done both of them? Okay, there are students, many students left who have not completed their work.
Okay, ma'am. So I can wait.
Yes, you can wait. And meanwhile, what I will do is, Yajat, you want me to add you in 4BD group? Okay, Yajat Gangwar added. And I'll send this work on D group as well.
Ma'am, please zoom in.
Ma'am, we are doing which work?
Beta, we are doing the worksheet that I shared yesterday. Have you completed the worksheet, beta? There were 2 pages.
I can't complete it because I can't attend my social studies class.
Okay, so do it right now. See, I have shared on the D group also. Start doing right now.
Ma'am, which work?
Nandini, beta, this is the worksheet from chapter number 1. This is just for your practice. Do this worksheet in your fair social studies copy.
Ma'am,
Yes, say.
no, ma'am, listen. Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice, very good.
Ma'am, ma'am, this is the last page of worksheet.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I can do.
There are 10 true and false and 5 question answers.
After this, we are doing the next chapter, chapter 4.
Yes, first let's discuss the answers of this one. Then we'll move on to the next chapter.
Ma'am, I can't find the worksheet, so please send me again.
Beta, in which group are you looking for it?
Ma'am, in 4D.
No, I have sent it on 4th D group. The D group is there. Do you know about the D group? Are you there in it? Are you there in 4th B D group? No. Looks like you are not there. I'll add you. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, is there anybody else who is not added in the D group?
Ma'am.
Nandini, beta, what is your phone number? Just speak out your phone number.
What, ma'am?
What is your phone number through which you take classes? What is your WhatsApp number?
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, 97601
Wait. 97601
46644
466
44.
44. You are already added, beta. You're already added in the group.
Ma'am, I have got it. The
But I have, see, first you please look for the D group also. Because in D group, all other teachers also send the work that is done on daily basis. All the written work that you do in your classes, online classes, the work is sent on D group. D for dog. So just check in your phone, are you there? Because the group says you have already joined it.
Ma'am, I am in the D group.
Yes, you are there.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we can do next worksheet.
We will now better start the next chapter, chapter number 4. Everyone has done this worksheet.
Firstly, we can do chapter number 4 worksheet of and work.
Chapter number 4 we will do. Be a little patient, beta. Be patient.
Fall down.
Scroll down. Okay.
So what is written here in question 50?
Question number 5th.
Yes, ma'am. Last.
What are fossils? FOSSILS.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is not.
Yes, beta. What?
Ma'am, your voice is not.
What is? I don't understand what you're saying.
Ma'am, in question answers, we have to write only answer.
No, beta. Questions also.
Okay, ma'am. Then we will do next chapter.
Done, children? Shall we start discussing?
Ma'am, I have one answer.
And what about
Ma'am,
others? What about others? Others have done it? Or there is just one student that is doing?
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
You have
Ma'am, I have
done?
done.
Done. Okay. So now let's discuss. Coming on to the previous page.
Ma'am.
A historian is a person who lived in the past. True or false?
None of them.
Very good. Tell me, everybody open your cameras now.
Ma'am.
I can see only Stuti Khandelwal. No one else is. Athar Singh, Yashraj Mahajan. Very good. Rishabh. What about other students? Jajat. Very good.
Ma'am,
Then,
true.
beta, who is a historian? Who is a historian? A historian is a person who studies the past.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Yes. So, see, read the sentence carefully. A historian is a person who lived in the past. Can't he live in the present?
No, ma'am.
No. Yes, it is false.
Yes, ma'am.
It is false because a historian can live right now also, in the current times also, and he can study the past.
Yes, ma'am.
History tells us about the events happened in the past. True or false? Mishti?
What?
History tells us about the events happened in the past.
True.
True, very good. History can be divided into 5 parts. Rishabh,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
how many parts can it be divided into? 5 parts? True or false?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, true.
Wrong. Why? Can you name those 5 parts of history in which it can be divided?
Ma'am, there are three parts. Ma'am, there are three parts.
Yes, there are 3 parts. Okay, Shish.
Ancient, medieval, and modern.
Very nice, very good. These are the 3 parts. Rishabh, which are 5 parts, huh? There are no 5 parts, beta. There are just 3 parts of history.
Ma'am, first is ancient period,
Yes,
medieval period, modern period.
yes, yes. Okay, next. Upanishads are non-religious literary source of history. True or false?
Ma'am, true.
False. Why? Because Upanishads are religious literary source of history. Which are non-religious literary source of history? Tell me. Non-religious literary source. Which are they?
Autobiography.
Very nice, Athar Singh. Very good. Autobiographies and biographies. They are non-religious. Can you give two more examples of religious literary sources apart from Upanishads?
Ved and Purans.
Very good. Very nice. Only Athar Singh remembers in the class. Huh? Nobody else remembers? Then, coins and plates are examples of archaeological source of history. Is it
True.
true? Very good. The writings by humans on leaves, bark of trees, etc. are manuscripts. Manas Garg.
Ma'am, this is false.
Yash Raj Mahajan, you tell, this is true or false?
True.
True, very good. Manas beta, this is true, it's not false. The writings are manuscripts only, they are called manuscripts only, which are written on leaves or bark of trees. Okay, biographies are self-written record. Jajat Gangwar. Biographies are self-written records. True or false? Okay, Yajat has left. Yajat is not there in the class. Harsh Patel, Harsh, can you tell us the answer? Biographies are self-written records. Beta, unmute yourself and say. Wait, let Harsh answer. Harsh is answering. But
Ma'am, what is question?
the question is, biographies are self-written records. Biographies are self-written records. True or false?
Ma'am, false.
Very good. False. Because which are self-written records? Do you remember? Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it? Tell me.
Ma'am, the bio, ma'am, when you tell the question, biography are self-written records. So, biography are not self-responsible.
Yeah. They are written by somebody else. Very good. And what are self-written records? Autobiographies are self-written records. Remember all of you children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is autobiography, that is a self-written record. Very good. Then next we have the next page. History is vast and continuous. Who will tell? Pratyaksh Rathi, true or false?
Ma'am, false. Ma'am,
Devansh Verma, history
Ma'am,
is
true.
vast and continuous. True or false?
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the class is over.
Yes, it is
Ma'am.
over. Let me just finish these true and false. History is vast and continuous. True or false?
True.
Very good. It is true. Pratyaksh, it's true.
Morning, ma'am.
New buildings like malls and cinema halls are monuments. Are they called
Ma'am,
monuments?
Ma'am, true.
No, ma'am, false.
False. It is false. Then the last one. Artifacts are objects of historical importance. True or false?
True. I'm true.
True. Very good. Okay, so let's end the class here. It's time to move for the next class. Bye to all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.